Fresh from earning his first senior national team cap, Kaizer Chiefs rising star Mduduzi Shabalala is brimming with confidence as Amakosi prepare for their CAF Confederation Cup showdown against AS Simba and the Democratic Republic of Congo. Shabalala linked up with his Chiefs teammates on Thursday for their trip to Lubumbashi, where the Glamour Boys will battle Simba in the first leg of the second preliminary round at the TP Mazembe Stadium on Saturday afternoon. Kickoff is scheduled for 3 p.m., although the match will not be televised. The 21-year-old attacker, long regarded as one of the brightest talents in South African football, achieved a personal milestone earlier this week when he made his Bafana Bafana debut. Coach Hugo Bros introduced Shabalala in the 88th minute of South Africa's emphatic 3-0 victory at the Mobile Stadium, a win that sealed qualification for the 2026 FIFA World Cup in North America. Reflecting on the special moment, FIFA World Cup in USA, Canada, and Mexico. Reflecting on the special moment, Shabalala expressed gratitude and determination to build on the experience and said it was a great moment in my career because it's every player's dream to represent their country. I've worked my way through the national junior teams to get here, and I'm very thankful for the opportunity. Now his focus shifts to helping Kaizer Chiefs to take a vital step toward the CAF Confederation Cup group stages, and that it's a big game for us. We know how important it is to get a good result away from home. The pressure is on them, but we must take our chances and try to score so that we return home with an advantage. Amakosi are well aware of the challenging conditions awaiting them in Lubumbashi, including the heat and playing surface. But Shabalala insists the team is mentally prepared and said it won't be easy, but we've played in tough conditions before. Whatever the pitch or weather, our job is to adapt and make sure we win the game. With his confidence boosted by his national team debut, Shabalala will be hoping to inspire Chiefs to a crucial result in their continental quest, one that could mark the next step in both his and the club's journey towards the continental glory. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.